Hello everybody, so welcome to this video. So in this video, we are going to learn about how to build a wireframe of a website, which we are going to build in Cursor AI. So what is wireframe? Wireframe is nothing but how a website flows from one page to another. So we'll quickly get started by jumping onto the screen and let's build our wireframe of a website. So first is our home page. So how the home page will look like just a basic design of a home page. Let's say this is a home page. We will have a image or some running structure here. So we will have an image here, and quickly we will have a CTA. CTA will say uh, start your notes or anything like this can be like discussed later as well. But this is our general homepage. We will not have much, like just start notes here, and this will be at the center of our page. So let's say this is our page, and basically this specific area will be in the center of the page. Okay. After that, if someone clicks on start notes, where it will go basically is it will go to a page where user will sign in. So this will be our sign in page where user will fill the form. Basically, this should be email and then password, and there will be a button of sign in. Okay. If the user don't have an account on our website, then there will be a link to sign up. Okay, so when user click on sign up, it will get redirected to a sign up page where the user will create the account. So here is create account. Okay, so again there will be some form and then the button, sign up button and all. So when the account is created or the user already have an account, it will eventually come to a same page which will show the user the list of the books which he or she has. So this will be a book page. So book 1, book 2, something like that. Okay, then we can have some buttons here, edit or edit book settings or something like that. So this page will consist all the books here. When the user click on any book, it will get redirected to the pages of that book. Okay, then we will have a list here. So page 1, then page 2, then page 3, and so on. This is a page where all the pages will be listed. So this is a pages or page. After that, once the user click on any of the page, then it will get redirected to the edit page section. Edit page. So here the user will have the text editor where where the user can click the bold text, italic text and all those things. And this is the area where the user will write the content, the notes, basically the notes. The content is notes, nothing else. Okay. So this is our very simple but a very effective framework or wireframe of the website. As this looks small, but it need a good amount of time and focus to build this website. Okay. Here also we can see there is a division here. So if I see this area, okay. So this section and like a kind of this section. So I will make it dotted, not kind of, actually this is also comes in that area. So this green section is a public section. Public means anyone can visit these pages. Okay, this is a public area. After that, the after the public area, this is a auth area. Authentication, where the user needs a sign in or create account, which is sign up thing like that. But this is also comes in public because user doesn't need to be logged in to access this page, right? To access the private section, which is this one, private. To access the private section, the user needs the authentication pages. That's why this area is in public. So our website is primarily divided in 3 parts. One is public, which includes the authentication area, and then the private area. In private area, what it consists? It consists of books, pages, and edit pages. So basically, if you see here, the user clicks for the first time. There's one click number one. Then this is login page, that authentication. We don't count this because if the user is already logged in and the cookies are stored, once the user click on this step one, it will directly go to the step two. Okay. After step 2, step 3 to select the page and the final destination. Here we don't have the clicks. So in 3 clicks, the user is on the final page, which is our edit page or view page, whatever it is. So this is a very basic and a quick wireframe of our website. And using this method only, we are going to tell Cursor that this is the structure of my website. Accordingly, build the website. Okay. So yes, this is the wireframe of the website, and in the next video, we will actually start building our website in Cursor. So see you in the next one.